Hello everyone, welcome to the admin's guide to the MyUH Club application. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to sign in as an admin. So you go to the sign in page and enter your information here. Submit. It may take a little bit. There we go. So here you're taken back to our home page, and you see that there are other pages at the top of this menu bar that you now have access to. So if you've already seen the basic user guide, you know about the developers page, the search page, the favorites page, and report a problem. So now we'll go into the edit clubs. If you've already seen the organizers guide, then you know about editing clubs. So I will not cover that here, because what is different about admin accounts versus organizers versus normal users is that we have the ability to add or delete clubs. So this is the add a club section. This is the delete a club section. It lists all the clubs that are currently on the site. So let's say I want to add a club. I'm going to call this ACM. ACM doesn't have an image, but I believe for everything else it's just the generic UH logo, and you put in a URL for that image. Next, the location, IC space, no time, let's just say NA. Description, association for computing machinery at UH Manoa. Okay, and quantity, I'd say there's 50 members? So we're going to submit that. Type is required, images, so the image is actually required, and type is also required. However, type is not an option that we are able to submit in this add delete club space. So let me just put in the NA, and you see that the submit button is grayed out because type is required. That is a bug that we are working to fix. So this whole adding a club deal is not fully functional, but it is there. So let's go down to the delete a club section. So let's say that the Vegan Society at UH Manoa, we found out that, let's say that hypothetically we found out that's not a real Rio, it's not an approved Rio, so we want to delete that club. So you delete it and it's gone, and then you have a message that pops up that says delete succeeded. Okay, so next for admins, we are also able to view reports. So let's go to the report page, and these are our tickets that we see. Awaiting investigation just means that these are submitted, and by having them here, it means that someone hasn't seen them. So let's just go to one of these. Let's say search page does not work. It has the user that submitted it, the date, and the time. When I click on search page and the search button on the search page, it leads me to a blank page with nothing on it. So we have, we're working on that issue. So I'm going to click resolve, and it will go in the under investigation column right here. And that is the abilities of an admin account on the MyUH Club application. So all that's left to do now is to log out. So I'm going to go to the upper right hand corner and sign out. I am signed out, and that is the end of this admin tutorial.